Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Unice hair. They sent me this bomb pre-color highlighted wig, y'all. When I say I got so many compliments, I got so many compliments. So we about to get right into this video. The links to this wig will be in the description box. Their information to their website, literally everything will be in the description boxes. So yes, go shop with Unice hair. Everything that you need to know will be in the description box, as I said before. So we about to get right into this video. So y'all, this is how my hair turned out. When I say I definitely loved it, I definitely loved it. I did not want to take this wig off. It was definitely giving Beyoncé vibes. Like, it was all there. It was giving, it was complimenting my skin, literally, y'all, everything. You can use my discount code to get money off. It will be in the description box. The link to this exact wig will be in the description box. Everything that you need to know about this company, Unice, will be in the description box. Y'all go shop, let them know that I sent y'all. Use my discount code to get money off. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. And I will see y'all in my next video. Go watch the rest of my videos if you already haven't, because sis, what are you doing, sis?